Yo, there was a viral tweet because a woman was on TikTok cooking for her dog. Okay, so this woman above says, I can't remember who said it, but someone says society thinks that women are supposed to exist for men and children. So many view women having, loving, and caring for pets as a sort of societal cheat code, hence the outrage at a woman treating her pet so well. Dreamgirl says, yes, all that for a dog, because look how shiny his coat is and how well behaved he is. You can tell he's loved and well taken care of. Can't say the same about y'all that are jealous. Because women are supposed to take that energy and pour it into a man. So the Hemotionals are seeing this pouring into a dog and they are having tantrums. Let's get into some of these. So this is the man that set it off, talking about cooking for a black man is where they draw the line because this woman has black woman's hands. Another picture of her hands so that we do know for certain that this is a black woman. Now I shall read some of the quote retweets. This person says, men's for real jealous over a dog. And she's laughing. We're all laughing. Laugh at these people. 23.3K men after seeing a dog eat. They go to a podcast and they are still talking about it 3 hours later. Okay, this person says a dog and a black man walk into a bar. Who will contribute to femicide faster? That is a good question. Who is more likely to harm a woman? T says, do you know how pathetic and hunger stricken all 25,000 of you have to be to think this after watching a dog get fed? A dog. That's who you view yourself as being on par with. A dog. Then Cece Marie says, black men being jealous of a dog is sending me right now, but since y'all want to compare yourselves to a dog, if sis needs protection, best believe that Pitt is going to provide it. Therefore, the dog deserves that meal. N-word, why did you make this tweet? Now we got to hear a bunch of think pieces because of you. And then Mooney says, y'all really out here being jealous of dogs, being cared for and fed. So the women in the likes are like, and then Latif says, are my brothers starving? Why are there 25,000 likes on this? I am actually shocked by this one. Do not be shocked. This is how they feel about women pouring our energy into something that is not a male human. We are in a point of life where men are jealous of dogs. This person says, this is how you look right now. Like that sad ant. And then at the bottom, no one mentioned black men. Are y'all calling yourselves dogs now? So Maxie says you're most likely to be attacked and unalived by your male intimate partner, son in your own home than your pit bull attacking you at home. So yes, these dogs are better than some of these BMs. Cook for a dog instead. Men can cook for themselves, dogs cannot. Here are a few more comments that you guys can just peruse and laugh with. This dude is really hurt because he is in these comments for real going on and on. But they are definitely jealous of the canines that are getting cooked for. But you guys go ahead, jump in the comments and tell me what you think. Like, comment, share.